Welcome to the channel. Historically, Bitcoin and crypto bottom is going to hit like within some weeks around this time, maximum some months, that we should be getting the crypto bottom, meaning that the price, when it starts rallying again, the bear market is over, bull market begins. It's never going to come back this low, at least historically. But these holy cows, they have wrecked me before. Don't know, but anyways, if the history is any indication, I shouldn't short the market anymore. But at the same time, historically, all the indicators have to reset. I'm not that convinced there is a chance that the bottom is already in, but I'm really not convinced because of the indicators and because there's still some time left. One more leg down, which everyone is expecting, could still hit, but at this time it really seems like all the crypto YouTubers, anyone whom is talking about crypto, is waiting for it so that they could start buying. I remember my first bull market. I was waiting for one more leg up. I was waiting for Bitcoin to hit that 90k mark, just like so many others, and it never did. And all of us whom believed it would got basically wrecked, at least some degree. And so we got this. Let's check the price of ADA. We got this small pump like week or two ago. I don't even remember, and I didn't believe that it's gonna hold, so I opened a small short position. I have already taken out quite a bit from it, and well, take profits when you can, otherwise other people take them for you. So I opened this ADA position. It's very small because I just don't feel like risking a lot now that historically the bottom is supposed to be very close. But yeah, I'm still making profits from ADA. It's like only about 360 euros total. Dollars. And then I also opened BTC trade, which it's still in profit. It also took this. It also had this small rally and it couldn't hold. Chainlink I opened just a few days ago when it had this initial rally. I don't believe it lasts. I believe that especially if that last Bitcoin leg down comes, then Chainlink will collapse a lot, maybe even $6 to $7, maybe even lower, and that's why I have more than 1,000 US dollar Chainlink short position, and I am willing to start betting more to this trade if Chainlink keeps on rallying. I don't think that the bull market has begun just yet. So what else is there? Yes, actually this ADA trade, even if it doesn't have a lot of money in it, I'm just gonna close 50% of it. This is how much I believe that the bottom is very close. This Bitcoin trade, well, it haven't made much profit. I'm gonna leave it as is. Ethereum trade also pretty much breaking even, not touching it, and Chainlink at unrealized loss. I will keep on adding to this Chainlink trade if the price keeps on going higher. So this is pretty much my situation at the moment. I'm just waiting for that one leg down. If that happens, I will instantly close all these short positions, and even if I'm I'm not into longing crypto again, because I've basically only lost money longing crypto, and I have made all of that, probably all of that back and even more, just by shorting crypto for these short periods of times. And in the bull market, of course, well, it makes sense to long, and at least the initial bull market, if we get that one leg down, I'm going to long. But that's not going to last very long. I'm gonna switch to 2x inverse short positions quite fast, because the price before my initial bet even gets liquidated in 2x leverage, the Bitcoin would have to rally back to its all-time highs. That's why I just like shorting. It's much less riskier, and eventually you are going to have the payday. That's how I'm planning to play the next cycle. We don't even know if there's ever going to be the next cycle, but if history is any indication, we are going to get a massive crypto prices. I believe that once we take that final leg down, or if we start getting significant rallies, then it's gonna be time for my next update video. Thank you, bye.